Hi guys, Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom, helping you at home make money online. Right, the 10 things that stop you from becoming a great affiliate marketer. The greatest thing you need is mindset, because there is a big learning curve, and if you think it's going to be free, you click a button and you get 10k in 3 months, I think you're a bit deluded. Well, actually, it's hype and you do believe it. I'm here to be a bit in your face and say you've got to learn a few new skills. But the most important skill is, can you really do it? Do you believe that you can get the life of your dreams? Do you believe you can go to the Cayman Islands, you can go swimming with the dolphins, climb Mount Everest, get 10k a month? Do you actually believe that, or do you think, way out of my reach? Okay, so I am are the most important 2 words on the planet. What you tell yourself is what you become. So if you think, I'm useless, I'm pathetic, I can't do it, guess what? You're right. If you say, I can do it, guess what? You'll find a way. Okay, I want to introduce to you a 21-day challenge. So stop all the doubts, get inner peace, and master your emotions. So maximize self-love, self-worth, and self-confidence. So absolutely everybody on the planet needs this. It could be a stay-at-home parent, somebody in college, retired. If you just need to better your life, you need this. You can design your life any way you want, but have you got what it takes? This is the big question. Introducing the one and only Stephen Munson. He has done a 21-day challenge. So you can get inner peace, courage, abundance, love. You know, that oneness with the world. So everybody's stressed out the brains, they've got self-doubt, they're scared, they're anxious, especially with all this rubbish going on in the world at the moment with the COVID-19. You need daily actions like a bit of meditation and a bit of motivation every morning, because otherwise you're going to just, you know, collapse under the hype. So this I Am challenge is a little video once a day at home, inspiration, motivational, interactive, flexible and fun. Okay, there is a Heal group on Facebook you can join as well, and it's like one big family. So you've got to think, I am wealthy, I am abundant. When you finish this challenge, you can win a competition. Before the 21 days, I was this, and after the 21 days, I was this. So, do you want to believe in yourself more? Do you want to overcome doubt? Do you want to forgive that person that you can't forgive yet? Do you want to break through your limiting beliefs, because everybody's got them? Do you want to tap and open your inner strength so it flows out of you without fail? This course at the moment is $397, but it's, what price is your peace of mind? Because you can get lost on Facebook, you can do your emails, you can get lost building capture pages, but unless you've got the mindset, so you've got to half an hour doing this, half an hour doing that, section your day into half an hour blocks or hour blocks, you're never going to get anywhere. Everybody's just drifting on the sea or blowing in the wind without a plan. That's why affiliate marketers do not win. So I would like to introduce you to this course because it's amazing. You can break all those limiting beliefs, become the best you can be, and you won't believe the changes in you after this. So click the link below and check it out, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notifications button, and tell me where you're from. Bye guys.